Okay, this is a used Pitney Bowes W360 tabber, also known as the Quadient TA-25 tabber or the Rena T650 tabber. And this is a dual tabber, so you can tab on opposing sides if you want to tab a booklet. And it has the integrated synchronized feeder, and this machine has very few cycles. It has less than 150,000 lifetime pieces that have run through the machine, and the conveyor is optional. And we're going to come back and run some pieces, but you can see the machine is in excellent condition. Feed rollers are in excellent condition, and we will be back to run some pieces. Okay, we're back, and we're going to run how you would run a booklet job. So we're going to put 2 tabs on what would be the lead edge of the piece in the mail stream, and 1 tab on the trail edge of the mail piece. And they're hard to see on here. You can kind of see them here. There's the 2 and there's the 1. And so we're going to run it through the machine like this. Number 2 head in the back is going to put on the 2, and number 1 head is going to put on the 1 tab in the front. So here we go. And we'll grab some out of the stacker here. And there's your 2 tabs on that side and your 1 tab on that side. And we'll be back and we'll run a couple other jobs. Okay, we're going to run another piece, typical self-mailer. It's not actually a self-mailer, but it's constructed like a self-mailer, and we're going to put 2 tabs on the open edge. So here we go. Grab some pieces. We're only using that tab head too, since we're only tabbing on the 1 side. And there you go. And we'll be back with another job that we'll run. Okay, we're going to run this piece, which is just a quarter folded advertisement, and we're going to put 2 tabs on the top and 1 tab on the trailing edge, so it'll look like this: 1 tab and then the 2 tabs on the top. You can see them better from the back. You can kind of see the tabs, and but we have to run it through this way so that we tab on the lead edge to the tabber, but that's really the trail edge in postal terms. So we're going to go ahead and run a few pieces, and see how that works. And I'm going to go ahead and stop the tablet. Show you the final result. There's the tabs on the top, the mail piece, and the trail edge of the mail piece. Okay, we are back and we're going to run a stamp affixing job on a number 10 envelope. We left the 1.5" tabs on head 2, but we just turned it off. We're not going to use head 2. We have the stamps on head 1, and we're going to put the stamp on. These are test stamps, and the way that the Postal Service orientates the stamps on a roll, we have to run the piece this way, and we have to put the stamp on the trailing edge in order for it to come out upright. So, and you can also do up to 3 stamps. So you can see there's 1, 2, or 3, and but we're going to run this, and we're just going to put 1 stamp on a number 10 envelope. So I'll turn the conveyor on, and then I'll turn the machine on. Then I'll turn the machine, I'll stop the machine, and I'll show you the result. And we'll be back, and we're going to run one more job. Okay, we're back, and we still have the roll of stamps on head 1, but we turned those off. We changed the roll on head 2 to 1" tabs, and we're going to put 2 tabs on this simple tri-folded piece, and here we go. And I'm going to turn the tabber off. Show you the result. If you can see that, there's the two 1" tabs. You can really only see it here. Thanks for watching.